Everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can change your Shopify password. First up here, open your Shopify store. Make sure to sign in with your account. Now here on your dashboard, you just need to click on your profile picture or profile name at the top right-hand corner of your screen. And here at the bottom, you'll find an option says Manage Account. So tap on that. Then you will now brought to this page. As you can see, you have two options, general and security. So here at the top left, select the security. And under the security, you'll find this password. As you can see, you have never changed your password. So if you want to change your password, just click this button here. And here, as you can see, you just have to enter the current password and then the new password that you want and confirm new password. Once done, you just need to click on change password. So that's all. Thank you for watching. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.